My name is Julia Nelson, and this is my reflection on Tech Club. My placement was at the Children's Museum of Bozeman. I did a lot of work in the STEAM lab that they have there, which is a bunch of computers, and then they also have some 3D printers. I worked with students anywhere from age 8 all the way through college age. The programs that I worked in were some camps. If students had a day off of school, they host camps at the museum. We also had an MSU class visit, and then they also host field trips for all schools around the Bozeman area. And then there are also open labs during the evening where anyone can come in and play on the computers in the STEAM lab. Some of the programs that we used were Tinkercad, and that was a 3D printing program, so I really got familiar with that. Here's what it looks like, and then here's the 3D printer. And they also have really cool science activities throughout the entire museum. And then we also did a few lessons. One was on light, and then we also had one on spies. Some of the struggles that I faced were holding attention while I was giving directions. Some of the students, especially with the college age, would pull out phones, and others would get distracted by the computers. And then another issue was my transitions. They weren't clearly communicated, and so we had some issues with that. Some of my successes were I knew a lot of information about the programs we were using and about the things we were doing, so I was able to answer all sorts of questions, and then I was also able to phrase my answers and try to explain things in different ways so students would understand better, and my organization was good. I have one recommendation for the program at the Children's Museum, and that would be to have more teaching opportunities. I only got to teach on my third visit there, and I would have liked to have been able to on my second visit as well. Some of my teaching beliefs that were confirmed are that all students learn differently. I saw some students want to work by themselves, others wanted to chat with each other and see each other's ideas, and then others needed help from me. And then I also my belief that technology is really useful was confirmed. It's really useful in education. It can be used in many different ways. Some of my teaching beliefs that changed were that one age group of students is easier to teach than another. I thought the college students would be easier to teach than the younger students, but that was not true. There was definitely their fair share of challenges with all age groups. And then another belief that was changed was that transitions aren't important, when those are extremely important to be clear and communicate them, and that helps the flow of the classroom. Thank you.